Calculate the second derivative. The second derivative is the derivative of the first derivative. To find the second derivative, we first need to find the first derivative. The first derivative, y prime of 4 x to the 0.4 power minus x is 4 times 0.4 times x to the negative 0.6 because we lower the power by 1 using the power rule, minus the derivative of x is 1. Then we simplify this. Y prime is 1.6 x to the negative 0.6 minus 1. Once we have the first derivative, we can find the second derivative, y double prime. 1.6 is a constant multiple, so we rewrite it, and then we will use the power rule. Bring down the power, negative 0.6 x, and lower the power by 1. Negative 0.6 minus 1 is negative 1.6, minus the derivative of 1 is 0. And then we simplify this further. Y double prime equals 1.6 times negative 0.6 is negative 0.96 x to the negative 1.6. If you want the answer in positive power, then y double prime equals negative 0.96 over x to the positive 1.6 power. And that is the second derivative. For part B, y equals e to the negative x minus 1 minus ln of x. There are two terms. The first term is exponential and the second term is log. First, y prime equals e to the negative x minus 1, but don't forget the chain rule. The derivative of negative times x minus 1 is negative 1, minus the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x, and we simplify this as negative e to the negative x minus 1 minus 1 over x. Y double prime is now negative e to the negative x minus 1, and again chain rule, negative 1. The derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. Y double prime is therefore positive e to the negative x minus 1 plus 1 over x squared. In the first term, the inside function u is negative x minus 1, which is the same as negative x plus 1. Its derivative du dx is therefore negative 1. That is why we multiply negative 1 when we use the chain rule. For this step, we bring down the negative. This means the constant multiple is negative 1. But when we take the derivative of this, we multiply the inside function. But again, the inside function is u.